All right. So I wanted to try and clean up what we had begun with the lighting. Just wasn't really happy with how we left it. It's kind of half finished. And I'd like to get it in a better spot. So we have, I'll hide that. Okay, we got rid of that lighting. Let's see what we have going on here. So I turned off the lighting completely. Let's get it back on, because I think I know what I have to do to make it work. Although I'm not totally sold on, you know, the idea that we absolutely need the light. I think we just have to like, it's back in. Alright, so that looks about right. Little too bright. Maybe that's one thing we have to do, is just turn down the energy. And so that's in here. I think like go down to half. That's a little too weak. That's pretty good. Let's see. Gradient length. You know, I didn't think about that. Let's see what we have going on here. So I don't see anything. It looks like the occluder does not handle the shadow at all. It just tells it where it's going to be. I might have to reload. Let's see. I'm trying to see what those shadows might look like. Oh. Yeah, we don't want that, because now it's going, whatever I changed, it's now going, yeah, I think that gradient length was too long. Maybe like 1. Was that like a pixel? No, just, that's not what we want. Filter smooth. I don't know. Let me just turn off the shadow. Okay, no, so we need it because it's blocking that. I just don't exactly know how we get it to cast a shadow. I don't know if we need that either. The main thing I want to know is mix. Okay, let's try that. That is not doing what we need there. That mask would just delete it, right? Go back to that. I mean, I guess they would add in real life. I don't really know. But now I'm thinking, like, do we want that? See if we tint. This actually looks pretty good. If we tint it, right, darken it, it kind of makes sense. And I like the kids screaming. Weird. And oh, interesting. I'll be right back. So obviously we don't want that lighting to shine through the floor. These kids outside need to shut up. Can't even think, man. I'm just like yelling incessantly. 2D light masks. Probably has to do. Oh, okay. I think if we put. Like, what happens when I do that? If we reload, maybe I'd save, I'm not sure. No, so it's still shine through, which tells me it's probably because the tile maps draw differently than other stuff. Let's see. We could just loop through all of the lights and hide them by layer. Oh man, we're starting to get, excuse me, the hiccups. Starting to get some lag now when I'm running this with the in window mode. Now what's wrong with this one? Why is that one not shining down? And over. Does these work? I wonder if it's because there's an occluder here that's maybe conflicting with that. Do like vector to, or vector to. Let's just see if that's enough to push it. Although it messes up my other ones then. Or no, maybe it needs to go up. I feel like that might not be the answer though. It's kind of cool how it gives it some rim lighting though. This I don't understand. Is there one underneath or something? There's probably an occluder Yeah. There's an occluder, I bet you, in the basement. Yep, totally. So these are messing up because of that auto spawn. Let's see. Only. I have to sort these into groups based on their floor. And so I think each bottom layer could hold occluders or hold the lights and turn off and the occluders. Let's do something like this. And so when we add those things, is that part of that? Do that, and it tells me and then when we add lights, only change floors. Do like visible, we're going to, oh. I'm on the wrong area, I think. Do current floor. Why that backspace was marked. Do this if floor equals then off, baby, get down. Come on, off the screen. Just yelling at my cat. So floor is not equal to current floor. do something like that. And ay, ay, ay. So does this one have enabled as well? Just turn its light mask off. I see a good way to handle that. Oh, you know what we have to do? We don't have to disable the occluder. I think it'll just be 4. No, we do have to disable the occluder because it's going to affect other layers. There's also this. You also have to do that for the top layer. Also, I need to add light. I know I'm already doing that. Cool. Alright, so this light should be fixed, kind of. Interesting. So main floor. You know what? I bet you. Bet. I bet. I bet. I bet. Bet it's that. Because we have to run through and disable it if we're not on that current floor. No, that wasn't it. Interesting. Oh no, it's still because of the basement. Whoa. Um, I want to check if something's in tree. If has node. Do it. So turn. You do if not has node. Return. Man, I'm missing that. So we're saying if we want to turn them on, let's see if we can even call it like that. If turn on, if the lights are already on, right, in the tree, then we return. Else, we do that. And we have to do node path, which that's not going to work. Let's see, lights on. Um, maybe by default, all we do is just add them to the array. We don't actually put them in. So if lights on equals on, Return else if on. So we don't have to do that has node check anymore. Get rid of that. And then in here, we just get rid of that. And in our world container, I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right, so we didn't turn our lights on. Direction not equal to 0. We do this code. Okay. Force 4 index. Okay, so that means it's an issue in here. What are these? They're false by default. So we should be turning it on. If on, wait, add child. Yes. Yes, yes. We got it twice. False true. Yes, yes. I don't know how we got it twice. Oh, I do. Okay. I just don't know why we're not seeing that. It could be the positions. So on main floor, these are going to be on like all down here. Their positions look okay. I want to make a separate folder for these. Oh no, we don't have any. What? The lights go on the top layer. We need to check position. So 316, negative 114. I don't know. Actually, I really don't. Stretch my legs. Oh man, what the heck? So we add them, but we're not seeing them. Lights, light. They're enabled. I don't know. Let's just redo this. I would guess it's an issue with. Okay, so the occluders work. Let's see. Yeah, it's already added. But how come they're not getting added here? Right, you can see it's like that code is running. What the heck? Positions look right. I know they get spawned, what, at the bottom of it? That shouldn't matter. Okay. New plan. Oops. Instead of this. So we do. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Excellent. Now I need to figure out how to draw my embers over top of that. I think it just has to do with the ordering of those. And I think probably because I'm putting them right on that tile map. But really, they should go over player. We also have to see if like we can Y sort them. Let's get the local. They might call it Z. Or no, we do want it Y sorted. Might be lifetime. Probably not, but did I just put water there? Nope, that wasn't it. Check this out. Draw order. That's fine. Let's put it on a Y sort. Let's try this. If we make a separate particles layer, just be a Y sort. No, then our tile maps have to be on it, and that's not really what we want. We could do. Just give it a higher Z index. So that way it'll always draw on top of whatever it's playing, wherever it is. Theoretically. Apparently not. Maybe we have to go higher. Or do we have to go lower? Did not do that. Higher is the index or the spider. So that's a part of node 2D. That, that's going to be, I think, overall that. That on every 4. Could also just make it. Let's see. No, what? How does that make sense? Oh, I didn't actually use it. Same thing here. The yield. Shoot. That's the problem. Who's calling that and failing? We can put it in there, but like, yeah. Equals. Okay. There we go. So the embers go up. I like that, but the light stops. That's what I was trying to achieve there. I think. Oops. That's okay. I probably don't want the light hitting those like that. Cheap fix. Go like this. Flop, flop. Mm-hmm. So if we go even darker. So we want this. We go back to full energy, it kind of, that's pretty interesting, I think. So how can I block that? Do I have to make, well, I have to do some manual occlusions here for these kind of edge cases. Because I have to kind of go around the head here, block that light. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. And that should be darker. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so that's the secret. Okay, those are not disabling. That was for. So when we go up, we want. From what I can tell, yeah, the occluders are going, not the lights, and it's because those lights are on a different layer. I think what we have to have happen here is the tile map layer sends let's see. that child. Light's a pen light. I don't think we're using. Do I need that? Yeah, we do. Yeah. Do this. Just making it work. It's not not the prettiest right now, but we're getting it. Now, where was my light? Here we go. Do the same thing here. It's really, instead of that, you're gonna call it in here, and so our out. Top layer. Really? Oh, sugar. It's gonna be four. Or that top layer. Or that over layer. This is just beautiful code. Um, layer in layers. Uh-oh, what's wrong? Layer is all. Okay, so when we go up, we want to see those front lights turn off. Beautiful. We can still see the particles, that's fine. I just didn't want to show the light because they can shine through. Although when I think about it, we could just have... Let me actually turn that off. So if we just do... No, we do have to shut it off. Yeah. That doesn't look right. And let's do occluder. Oh crap, I can just draw that? That's kind of cool. Looks like it has to be, oh, it's because I have that on. So we should be able to do, if we zoom in, we can really get some occlusion here. I like to go back one, that's all right. I can just remove that one. That's 7. Just try that. There we go. Let's see what that looks like. Beautiful. All right, so now the light isn't able to hit that head. And lighting really complicates things. All right. See what it looks like in here. I don't think I have any occlusion in here. I have to add those to the occluding tiles. Yeah. Is that not the name of them? That's a problem. I have to go pretty soon. So we got that. I think they use it in here. No? Is it in here? Whatever. Yes, that's pretty close. We want the shadows to light up, but not the walls. And I think once we get a canvas modulate in here and do maybe something like this. And then we can get some more torches. Now that really sets some ambiance. 100%. Pretty cool. And obviously it's not perfect. Oh, because those are too high up, that's why. That's on me. So we just, why can't that, there we go. I mean, I could make the cave walls higher, but for now we have to put them at the lowest. Where are these particles? We need to do period slash. Let's get rid of that red error. Yeah, cool. All right. I think we're getting somewhere. That looks interesting with the light in the middle of those. Yeah. I think I do like the lighting. I think we're getting there. All right, let's close. All right, hey, you're number one right there. Have a great day.